Okay, yeah, off you go.
Okay. Once upon a time, in the Jurassic period, there was a diplodocus that was looking for a tree, and then there came a really big T-Rex who wanted to eat it, and then it got the diplodocus and took it away to a cave and ate it up. And then a Dinosaurs came along, and their plates, when they're hot, the wind blows through their plates and cools them off. And they're four-legged dinosaurs, and their plates change colour when they're scared to show off. And then he fell down the waterfall and got stuck in the water, and he never got saw him again. And then came a little Brachiosaurus who was eating some grass. And then a little T-Rex came by and he knocked him down the waterfall, and he crashed in there. And then a shark with really long claws tried to get him, but he didn't, because he does camouflage in the grass, and he just tripped over him and he went down the waterfall. And here comes a Spinosaurus. It tries to get him, and it does get him, and then it takes him back. The end.
That was a really good game.